Listen to part of a lecture in a psychology class.
Today, I'd like to focus on two closely related concepts in social psychology that are part of group behavior. First, I will begin with social facilitation, which is the tendency of people to perform better when they are being watched or observed by others, or when they are doing the same task alongside with others. This concept is best explained in sports, specifically, the impact of a crowd and competitors on sports performance. In 1898, an American psychologist, Norman Triplett, demonstrated social facilitation through an experiment on timing the speed records of cyclists. Triplett noticed that, in the presence of other cyclists, cyclists had faster race times than when they were racing alone against a clock in a time trial. He concluded that cyclists performed better in the company of other cyclists, since it made them more competitive and motivated. Through this experiment, we can see that the presence of others will enhance an individual's performance. Another concept I'd like to look at, which is part of group behavior, is social loafing. Social loafing shows that people are prone to exert less effort in achieving the group's targeted goal when working in a group than they would if they worked alone. Maximilian Ringelmann perhaps did the first research on this phenomenon in a rope pulling experiment. He discovered that the participants, who were asked to pull on a rope, tended to put less effort in pulling the rope in a group than they would when they were pulling the rope by themselves. Social loafing shows that with increasing group size, the individual contribution decreases. Clearly, this concept displays the negative effects of groups. Social loafing often has negative effects on group cohesion and causes more emotional stress on individuals, while productivity falls.
Using points and examples from the lecture, explain social facilitation and social loafing, and how they influence people's performance.